Take a look at this fabric edge. I did not weave it, yet it looks so clean and professional. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 techniques that you can use to achieve this. And the last one is my favorite. The first thing you are going to do is to arrange the fabrics you'll be using just like this, and then sew 0.75 inches. This is for the first techniques. You are going to sew it all the way to the bottom. So once you get to the bottom, you are going to spread it open like this, and then cut one side out of the 2 edges. So you are going to cut it and leave 0.25 inches close to the thread. After cutting it, you then spread it open and then fold the other part like this inward to cover the raw edge, and then you top stitch it. So you are going to top stitch all the way to the bottom. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share this video to other tailors who benefit from it. This technique is majorly used for button down shirts and other corporate shirts in order to hide the rough edge without weaving. So this is how it looks after sewing. For the second technique, you are going to arrange the fabrics on the machine and sew 0.5 inches, that is half inch. After sewing the half inch, you are going to open it up and then spread the raw edges on the opposite side. You are going to turn it inward just like this, arrange it properly, and then you sew. So you are going to sew it all the way to the bottom. While top stitching, make sure to arrange it properly by folding in the raw edges, and this will give you a premium look. This technique is majorly used for corporate trousers and other corporate shirts without weaving, and this will make your outfit look so clean and professional. If you are a beginner in tailoring, do well to join my masterclass which I'm posting for just 5,000 naira. The link is in the description box. So after sewing, you have this as the final result. So you can see how the raw edges are spread on the opposite side and it looks so clean and professional. The final technique is the one I told you I love most, and this involves sewing 0.25 inches of the fabrics. I'm going to arrange it on the machine and sew 0.25 inch. After sewing 0.25 inch, you have something like this. You can see the raw edges. You turn it over to the front. Remember, you sew the 0.25 inch on the back. So on the front, you are going to sew half inch. This will enable you to hide the raw edges on the fabrics. If you've watched to this extent, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video to others who will benefit. So after sewing, you have something like this. You can see the inside, there's no raw edge. And on the front, you can see this part which is standing. You fold it to any part that you like, doesn't matter. You fold it and you top stitch it. This method is majorly used for vintage shirts, button down shirts, and even George or wrapper. So this is the final result. I want you to also watch this video displayed on the screen.